Tired of throwing money at Google Ads and getting nothing back? What if I told you you could create a high ROI Google Ads campaign in minutes? Stop wasting time and start seeing results. Hey everyone, this is Davtima's channel, and in this video I'm going to show you a ridiculously simple yet powerful strategy to create a Google Ads campaign that actually delivers a high return on investment. Why is this important? Because Google Ads can be a goldmine for your business if you know how to use it, but most people waste money on poorly targeted ads. We're going to cut through the complexity and focus on what really matters: getting you results. The foundation of any successful campaign is killer keyword research. Use keyword tool name, for example Google Keyword Planner SEMrush, to find low competition, high intent keywords. Look for keywords that people are actively searching for when they're ready to buy. Don't throw all your keywords into one giant ad group. Create tightly themed ad groups with only a few highly relevant keywords each. This allows for more specific ad copy. Your ad copy needs to grab attention and directly address the searcher's needs. Use the keywords in your headlines and descriptions. Focus on benefits, not just features. Add a clear call to action. Target your ideal customer based on location, demographics, and interests. Don't waste money showing your ads to people who are unlikely to buy. If you're not tracking conversions, you're flying blind. Set up conversion tracking to see exactly which keywords and ads are driving results. So, there you have it. A quick and effective way to create a Google Ads campaign that can deliver a high ROI. Remember to focus on keyword research, tight targeting, and compelling ad copy. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more actionable marketing tips and strategies. And if you want to dive even deeper, I've created a free resource that you can download in the description below. You can also visit my website for more resources and to learn about my services and products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.